Okay, so I was playing on Animal Jam, and earlier I just threw up because this is disgusting. Because there's a stupid jammer here who is doing abusive things. Oh, there's my cousin. Okay, somebody wrote this on the floor, which is disgusting. And then there are people in here. Ew. Ew, 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 ew.
I kept telling you to leave, but you did not want to leave.
Ew, look at this. This is nasty. Let's go to my Den 19. He's disgusting. He's doing this. Disgusting. And he's not. That person, I'm pretty sure, does not want to be there. Oh, no. Ew, no, get away from me. This is gross. This is nasty. I'm gonna report this guy again for inappropriate behavior. This is gross. I'm recording this. AJHQ will watch. Oh. Oh my gosh, I cannot. I'm not. My cousin has more freaking I can't even say inaudibility than me. He's more smarter than me. Oh. Animal Jam, please find his main account. This is disgusting.
Whoa.
I'm gonna go to the corner and start throwing up like I was before. Please let this end.
Okay. Oh yeah. My computer isn't really as much like
Yeah, I don't know why this guy is like, blah, 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 hey, lay down.
Where'd he go? Where did he go?
Oh, I'm not laying there. I'm actually laying over here.
I'm in front of you, aren't I? You're in front of me?
You're right there.
Oh. Well, you're right here from me. So now I want to click on that spot over there 3 more times. So it shows up over there. Okay, there you go.
Okay, we're all gonna look like go to my den. I don't know why.
No.
Why?
No.
I don't want to. He's mean and disgusting and
No.
Go away, you freaking nugget.
I'm I'm gonna say go to my den 19. So don't even try.
Nasty. I can't see. I'm gonna like sit here for a second and just breathe.
Why can't I see it?
Because you don't have free chat like I told you. You're gross.
What? No, say, go to my dad.
I already said.
I wish I had free chat. Then I would say, go to my dad. 19.
Trade me Spiker nerd glasses if you want me to stop this trouble. No, dude, no, that's not how it works. You can't do that. That's called scamming, and I have it on video right now. This is like literally making me. This is making me shake. Getting nerves all over my body. It's moving so freaking like. Oh. I'm glad he has not tried to do that to me yet. Well, not yet, but I mean he hasn't tried to. He hasn't tried to do it to me.
Yet.
I don't think he's trying right now.
Well, he did before. He hasn't tried doing it to me because I don't even know if he knows I'm a dude or not. But I kept telling him, so that I am a dude. So.
I'm gonna sit here and protect you.
No. I got myself.
Okay. You're gross. So you're a gross jammer. You're not a nice. What? I'm not doing to your. Ew! Look at this! Oh, dang it. A. What?
You said stick, and you said A. And you said sock. And
I said stick a sock in it. I was gonna say stick a sock in it, but that's disgusting. But it's true. He needs to shut the heck up. You're a freaking cringe. Shut the frick up. You're such a freaking nugget. No, children. No, don't do this. No. Okay, this is getting really not appropriate at all. Leave. This is the... Leave! Leave! Good! This is disgusting. This is just... now. He's trying to do it to us.
Please?
Be glad He hasn't started. No! I don't want you touching me, you weirdo.
Either just leave, or you can let you know.
You're nasty.
If he tries to, I'm gonna say you put one paw on me, you done die.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill him. Either if you
No, move out the way.
are a nugget that was.
You know why I'm doing this? Why? I have no clue why I'm doing this.
You're the chicken nugget that was burnt.
Are you still recording?
Yes.
That was a fake laugh.
Yeah, I think everybody knows that. But guys, go to my den 19 because he is a scammer. No, he's a scammer and a animal jammer who does that, which is nasty, and
just
he made me throw up. So honestly,
she actually did.
Girls throw swords at my mom. Yeah, sure.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. Oh my gosh! I don't care. Good.
Stop it. Okay, good. Do it. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
Wait, why does he kind of look like me?
Yes.
Wait. My real face.
No, it's not.
Okay, stop it. It's just...
It's just...
Ew.
You. Just you.
Why? Why do you... I'm sending this to Animal Jam. I don't care what he says. Oh gosh, I'm go again.
Move.
Oh god.
No. Move. No. I said no. No.
You're gross. I'm still...
what? Whoa!
I need to get close to him for this switch. Sorry. Bites his nose off.
Funny.
And, ew, this is burnt. I don't know.
Why?
I'm kind of mad at the guy right now. He's not like in a good mood, so I mean, this is just still gross.
Why?
I don't like this. I don't know.
Why?
I threw his nose across the room. He doesn't have one now. Poor chicken nugget.
Say hi. Now you don't have a nose. Ha. Now you don't have a nose.
Ha. No nose for you.
Oh, no nose for you. I bet he has no reaction. He's just like, okay.
Oh, no, wrong one. Okay, Animal Jam, please report him. and find his real account because he was interrupting. He actually